I want to make this video to share with everyone on what I learned about Trace ID. So with the basic account, you have two playlists, showcase and favorites, and that's all you get. To get more, you need to subscribe the premium account, which costs more. Let's check out the showcase list. As you can see, the list is capped off at 10 clips. You need to subscribe to the premium account in order to get more. So I'd like to walk you through by going to one of the games. In this game, we're going to add a clip where we scored a goal to the showcase list playlist. Here you can see that there's a lot of things happening before the goal actually happens. So save the clip. You click save and you'll be presented with just two. Pick showcase in this example. Now we're going to go back to the playlist. Click on the playlist, the showcased, and you will see the clip at the very top. Now, what you want to do is you want to shorten this list or this clip to where the action actually took place. To edit the clip, click on the three dots, select Edit Highlights, and you will be presented with this pop-up video. The settings are kind of strange. The top settings are for the beginning of the clip. So you choose where you want the clip to begin. In this example, I'm trying to set right where Bella is running up to kick the free kick. You can use the rewind or forward to get to where you want it to be. Here is the original clip, and I'm forwarding. I think I forwarded too much. So let's move back a little bit. This is where it's going to start. The bottom setting is to control the duration of this clip. You can shorten it by 2 seconds, or you can forward it by however many seconds that button says. Next, to go set some tags for searching. And then you can add some comments about why you like this clip. This one's a very nice goal. Great job, Melanie. And that is it. So when you're done, takes a moment to save. When you go back to the clip, it should begin right where I set it to be when Bella is running up to kick the free kick. Now I could have shortened the clip to something about 10 to 15 seconds instead of 40, but you get the idea. Another thing to note is if you are trying to download all these clips in this showcase highlights, you'll be surprised. Not this one. You get the download this playlist. You're going to get, hey, you need to upgrade to a pro or you can't do it. So a workaround or the tedious way is to pick this highlight, click on it, saying download this individual highlight, then you can email to yourself. After a moment, you will get an email, something like this, where, hey, your highlight is ready. Go ahead and go here. It will play just this clip, which you then can download. And that is how you download each video clip. Then you can use your personal video editing tool or anything that you want to, or even just save these clips as individual ones and then put it on a playlist somewhere else. In case you didn't know, you can turn on the audio by going to the setting icon, turn on game sound, hit confirm settings, and the audio should come on. This game is kind of loud with the wind, so sorry about that.